Today's recipe is inspired by the traditional Thai dessert, Khanom Luem Kluen. Instead of the classic pandan flavor, I'm giving it a fruity twist with sweet mango juice and a creamy coconut filling. It's silky, refreshing, and incredibly delicious. In a saucepan, add 250 grams coconut milk, 15 grams sugar, 20 grams rice flour, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Whisk everything together until the mixture is smooth and no lumps of flour remain. Place the saucepan over medium heat and cook, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens into a smooth coconut cream. Remove it from the heat. Transfer the coconut cream into a piping bag and leave it to cool completely. Next, in another saucepan, combine 500 grams mango juice and 45 grams mung bean starch. Mix well until the starch is completely dissolved and no lumps remain. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens and becomes smooth and glossy. Transfer the hot mango mixture into a piping bag. Be careful as it will be very hot. Prepare 12 small dome molds. Pipe the hot mango mixture into each mold. Work quickly because the mixture sets quite fast. Pipe the cooled coconut cream into the center. Leave the desserts to cool completely until fully set. Carefully unmold and they're ready to serve. There you go, a simple mango twist on the classic Thai dessert, Khanom Luem Kluen. You can enjoy them at room temperature, but I think they taste even better slightly chilled. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.